It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I read some, I drew some, I wrote some, and now I'm out looking at birds. I've been taking some photos. I saw my first kangaroo, which is so exciting. It's really, really skittish and like wouldn't let us get close, but God, so cool. I don't know. I never really imagined that I'd see a kangaroo in real life. I don't know why. I mean, I guess I don't know why I would have thought I would. Australia is as far away as you can possibly get from the US. So like, I just didn't really ever see myself actually coming here. It's a dream. Honestly, it's so cool. It's so much fun. It's really exciting to see new things every day and like also still be like living a really calm and simple life. Sorry, there are birds. Yeah, it's awesome. It's really cool to be in a place that's like so quiet and like I feel so connected to nature right now and like the people are wonderful. The weather's wonderful. It's like actually been a little bit cold, especially at night and in the morning. I'm so happy to be here, honestly. I wish I could like bottle up these feelings and share them with you guys because like genuinely I just like I'm feeling so many things I feel like I haven't really felt before. Like it feels just like really good. And like I don't know, listening to like the crickets and the cicadas and all the different birds. There's a little bird right next to me. It's so tiny. I'm still trying to ID that one. It's one we saw a couple earlier. It's really hard. But anyway, it's just like it's so exciting to like be somewhere new and like see new things every single day. And yeah, also not be like extremely overwhelmed because it's like we're in the middle of like paddocks. Like there's just fields everywhere of livestock and just like it's just nature. And this is like what I've been craving for so long, to just like be in nature. And it feels really good to like dive into like what I want to do, which is like make more observations and like I don't know, just like experience the natural world and like for what it's worth or like for what it gives me, which is just like so much peace. I love being outside and this is definitely a great place to do it. So it's been good. It's been really good.
So a critical hit on an entirely bare player will one-tap them. And if they've got full leather armor, it will still...
Man, it is nice. Like it feels really good to be out here. It feels really good to just like soak up the sun. It's 6:30, so the UV rays shouldn't be harmful anymore, and it feels so good to just like soak in it. That's a sulfur-crested cockatoo. They sound like that all the time. I love them. I've been thinking, you know, last week I went through a little bit of a, like, I was concerned or like worried that I only decided to do or like come to Australia because I thought that would make me look cool or like seem cool to other people, which like maybe played an impact in my decision, but after coming here to South Australia, like in the bush, I know for sure now that like there was something in me that like knew this was right for me, because it feels so good. I don't know, it like there's a spark there. It makes me want to write, it makes me want to like create. Like I'm feeling really creative and really artsy, and like I'm looking for outlets, so I don't know, I just think it's like really beautiful. Sorry, I went up the smallest hill. Anyway, yeah, I need to exercise. That's another thing. But anyway, I just feel like I'm like really ready to like show myself in the world what I have to create. Like I feel like I've always been a creative person, and I don't know, there's been many years of my life where I haven't been creating things, and sometimes it's really hard, and there's a lot of pressure on myself to like make something that like is perfect. But right now, like, I don't know, I've been like really appreciating art in general, and like looking at other people's art and like reading books that are like beautiful but like are still flawed, make me feel like so much more confident, so much more ready to like produce art. Because it doesn't have to be perfect, because like art isn't perfect, and if it was perfect, like it wouldn't be beautiful, you know? Like I feel like things are beautiful because they have like flaws, they have character, they have things that like, you know, are unique and different, and like no one can create the art that I can create. Just as like I can't create other people's art, and that's what's so beautiful about it, is that like something that is a masterpiece is something that other people cannot do, which is like, you know, all of us can create different things, and like they're gonna be beautiful in their own way. And you know, some people are, big bird. Some people are really going to resonate with your art, and some people aren't, and that's just like how things go. And I think it's a hard part about like being someone who is a people pleaser and like really wants everyone to love me. Like I really want everyone to love me. And that's something I've been working through for a long time. And yeah, I mean, not everyone's going to love the stuff that I create. But some people really will, you know? And like I just have to like put myself out there and see how it goes. And also, if no one loves the stuff that I create, I'm still creating, and like it's valuable to me, which makes it valuable for the world, you know? Like I feel like if I'm happy with what I'm producing, or like I'm happy with what I'm creating and putting into the world, then like that's gonna make an impact somewhere, somehow. Even if it's just within myself, then I'm gonna be more inclined to like go out and change the world, you know? Like obviously that's like so cliche and like so cliche, and like obviously sounds like really crazy. Like, okay, not crazy, but like it sounds wild, because one person can't change the world alone, but like one person can inspire other people, which could potentially change the world. I don't know, I'm feeling really inspired, and the sun is doing good things for me. It feels really good after being, you know, in winter for the last couple months, but it's so good. It's so good. I'm gonna pause and say I think those were yellow-tailed, sorry, yeah, yellow-tailed black cockatoos, which are massive. They're these massive cockatoos, like literally like 70 centimeters, huge. And I think they live in this tree that's right in front of me, but I'm standing by it, so they probably aren't gonna come back while I'm this close. Maybe I'll walk a bit away, but yeah, I just wanted to get that off my chest. I feel like, I don't know, I have a lot to say now, which I haven't for a long time. I feel like, I don't know, I was seeing this on TikTok too about people just feeling like they were like quiet, or like just feeling more quiet than usual. And I feel like I was too. I was like, I think just like really ready to leave, and waiting for something for so long is like really, really hard. And I think that just caused me to kind of be quiet, because it's like I don't have anything to talk about, because I felt like whatever I was doing was not like what I was supposed to be doing, which is coming here. And now that I'm here, I feel like so many doors have opened, like within myself. I don't know. It feels really good. It feels really good. And I have a really good feeling about all of this. Yeah. So, I don't know. Thank you for watching, you beautiful people. Yeah, I'm happy, and I hope that you are too. And if you're not, I don't know, do something that you've been thinking about doing, or that you've been wanting to do for a long time. It doesn't have to be something as big as going to Australia, or like moving to Australia, but it could be something small that just like makes you happy. And I don't know, like I think a big thing is also just like leaving more time for your mind to wander. So like don't pick up your phone as much, be less available, and like, yeah, allow yourself some time to just like pre-think. I think that's pretty beautiful. And yeah, let me know how it goes if you try it. Okay, there's three yellow-tailed black cockatoos and a kangaroo next to each other. I ran back to turn my camera off because I don't want it to die, but maybe I should have stayed up there. I want to take photos, but I also want to record it. Oh. There's a cockatoo recording. But anyway, that's our kangaroo. He's so cute, isn't he? I'm gonna try and get closer, but not too close, obviously, because it is a kangaroo, and I'm a little bit scared of them, although I think he's scared of me. I'm gonna keep trying to take photos. It's not focusing. Okay, I gotta put you down. Alright, legitimately, one of the cockatoos just flew right above me. Okay, can you see it? He's right up in there, you can probably see him. But the kangaroo is still over there. You guys, that was the epitome of an Australian experience. Oh, that was so cool. Ah, oh, there's more of them. So there's quite a few oh my god, I keep messing it up. Yellow-tailed black cockatoos. They are all around. There's one in this tree that I was saying I think they lived in. It flew in right over top of me. But there's a kangaroo that like came hopping in as I was trying to take photos of the cockatoos. And so yeah, that was wild. I was trying to take pictures of the cockatoos and the kangaroo, and it looks like the kangaroo might be settling in for the night. I think he might sleep there, which is so cute. I backed off a bit because I think I was stressing out the bird, and probably the roo as well, because he's seems really, really skittish and afraid of people. Alright, so those are the yellow-tailed black cockatoos. I think that might be a warning call, like an alarm call. It's one I haven't heard before, and I think they're both very cautious of me and a little worried that I'm so close to their presumable nest. So I'm walking away. Sorry, Gavin was asking if I was alive. And, yeah. So the lighting's not great for a photo anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Probably go eat dinner because I'm kind of hungry and I'm very thirsty. But yeah, they're watching me. They are checking me out and making sure that I'm not getting too close. So I'm gonna respect their wishes. Wow. That was a cool experience. I'm really glad I stayed down here longer. Looking for birds is like, oops, one sec, like genuinely one of my favorite things. It's a hobby that like ooh, my hair's doing weird things, but it's a hobby that I started in the last year, but it's one that brings me so much joy, and like when I can't believe I haven't done this, like I hadn't started earlier. Yeah, we've seen, I don't know, 45 maybe, ooh, sorry, we've seen 45 maybe 50 species since we left Washington, in Hawaii and in Australia so far, which is so exciting and really cool. This is a gnarly hill. This is about the time where the birds get even more active again. But I might come back out after dinner. We'll see. God, I'm thirsty.
I love that sound.
It's a lyrebird.
Yara Jarwin. A lyrebird.
I wasn't expecting this.
Whatever they hear, they mimic. They can mimic the thunder, the light, temperature, mobile phone calls, camera shutters.